put on your party hats and grab 1 or 2 oven mitts. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, we're baking spirits bright with a familiar, easy, crowd-pleasing recipe. Gluten-free, original Chex party mix. To begin, preheat the oven at 250 degrees. Next, in a large bowl, mix 4 cups of Corn Chex cereal, 4 cups of Rice Chex cereal, and 2 cups of Cheerios cereal, with 2 cups of bite-sized gluten-free pretzel sticks. This party mix is made without dairy, nuts, or gluten, a delicious fit for those with food allergies or celiac disease. In a small bowl, microwave 6 tablespoons of Country Crock plant butter on high for 30 to 40 seconds or until melted. When that's done, stir in 2 tablespoons of gluten-free Worcestershire sauce, 1½ teaspoons of gluten-free seasoned salt, 3/4 teaspoon of Hy-Vee garlic powder, and a ½ teaspoon of Hy-Vee onion powder. Pour the small bowl over the large cereal mixture, stirring until evenly coated. Then transfer to an ungreased roasting pan. Bake this in the oven for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes. When that's done, spread the mix on paper towels to cool for about 15 minutes. If you have leftovers, you can store in an airtight container at room temperature. And don't forget to get your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy and earn a 20-cent fuel saver. Plus, save time and get your COVID-19 vaccination and flu shot together in one appointment. Schedule your appointment online today at Hy-Vee.com.